Welcome to AI Tools for Students. Today we have something super exciting for you, Wisdolia. Get ready to transform your study sessions into something more effective and fun. What is Wisdolia? It's an incredible tool that turns any web page you find into flashcards instantly. Think about the books, articles, and resources you read. Now those can become your personal study aids. Wisdolia helps students enhance their learning through active recall. This method of testing yourself on the material improves memory retention significantly. You'll remember concepts better and for longer, making study time more productive. Using Wisdolia is a breeze. First, head over to the Chrome Web Store and install the Wisdolia extension. It takes only a couple of minutes. Once you have it installed, you're ready to dive in and start creating flashcards. Now let's see how it works. Simply open any web page that you want to study. Then, click on the Wisdolia extension. With just a click, watch how it auto-generates flashcards from the content on that page. It's magic. Imagine you've just read an educational article about climate change. With Wisdolia, you turn that entire article into a series of flashcards that you can review anytime, anywhere. This tool is perfect for cramming before exams or revisiting important concepts over time. When you test yourself with these flashcards, you boost your learning and efficiency. Learning just became much more interactive. Let's take a closer look at a real example. I'm opening a PDF on study techniques. I click on the Wisdolia extension, and voila, flashcards are generated, covering the key points from the document. It saves tons of hours compared to making them by hand. To recap, Wisdolia simplifies your study process. It transforms digital content into flashcards, promoting active recall and memory retention while making studying quicker and more effective. Don't forget to check out Wisdolia yourself. It's free and user-friendly. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy studying!